Good morning, it's Joe from Luscombe Suzuki in Leeds. A big thank you for clicking on the advert for this Skoda Karoq SE-L. I just wanted to do a quick 360 walk around of the Skoda for you, jump inside, run through a few features. So starting off, you can see it looks absolutely incredible in the blue. Definitely one of the best colours that Skoda do. Dropping down here, you'll see you do get the 18-inch alloy wheels. Now this is a 2-litre diesel automatic. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice that you do get the rear parking sensors alongside the rear parking camera. Always beneficial for a vehicle of this size. Just so you can get a good look at the interior as well, you're greeted by these half leather Alcantara suede seats. Really welcoming, very nice inside, beautiful layout. Just coming back round to the front, what I'm going to do for you now is jump inside the Skoda and just run through a few features on the interior for you. So again, you do have the keyless start on here. So I'm just turning the vehicle on. 19,357 miles, so very good mileage on this vehicle. One nice feature that it does have that stands out for me is this digital cockpit. Very nice design. What you'll notice is once the navigation loads up, the navigation comes onto the digital cockpit, so you're not having to look at the screen for your sat-nav navigation. So again, really nice touch on there. Coming over to the right hand side of your steering wheel, you'll notice that you do have the cruise control option just up here. That's just turned on there for you as well. So cruise control option just up here. Speed limiter as well at the bottom here. Coming over to your screen, if I am to pop the vehicle just into reverse, that'll activate your reverse camera. You can of course load up the navigation on here for where you want to go. Apple and Android CarPlay on there as well. So again, really useful feature. You can connect your phone up, use your own music. Again, you can use different navigation apps as well. Just dropping down here, you'll notice you do have the driver and passenger heated seats. Dual climate control, which is perfect for summer or winter. Parking sensors as well, obviously front and rear. Engine stop start. Got your automatic gearbox. Different driving modes again, so they come up on your screen here. So eco, normal, sport, individual and snow. So you've got some nice options there. Obviously you've got the off-road and you've got the electric handbrake as well. But absolutely beautiful layout in this Skoda, very nice design. Just to quickly walk you around to the boot as well. Very spacious boot. Got your parcel shelf there that will pull out as well. Boot liner in there. This vehicle does come to us with full service history. So just a quick reminder on what you get when you purchase a vehicle from Luscombe's. Full vehicle health check by the technicians here on site. Every vehicle that we sell, we also carry out a fresh service on and a full 12-month advisory-free MOT for that extra peace of mind. Thank you ever so much for watching the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to any of the sales team. We're all happy to help, but take care and have a lovely rest of your day.